Hello guys, so this is the lightweight riding shoes with a solid protective build that I got from Amazon. The construction is firm, which added protection, and this is a non-slip rubber sole. Offers great traction and feels secure on the bike. Although comfort is not on the same level as everyday work boots, but you can always buy gel insole to add comfort. And one thing that I noticed, I've been using this for a week now, I don't really feel much airflow while riding, which give it a somewhat waterproof feel. But it is not advertised as waterproof. I just thought it's waterproof because I don't feel airflow. And I have some boots, I have shoes, which is totally like breathable because you can actually feel the cold air. But this actually gives comfort during cold season. Anyway, the material may look a bit cheap at first glance, but this performed well where it matters, which is riding. Anyway, I hope you guys find this review helpful. Have a good night and stay safe.
Cause I do.